Today, there's a big snowstorm here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and it's very cold at -6 degrees Celsius. It's covering everything in a thick white blanket. I was worried about the birds and how they survive in this freezing weather. So, I made a small cotton box for them to use as a home and added some grains for food. Little gestures like this can make a big difference. I also saw a squirrel sitting in the snow, looking cold, with snow falling on her. She was trying to clean the snow off herself. To help her feel better, I played a Devi bhajan, hoping the soothing music might heal and comfort her. She seemed to listen to it in a beautiful and peaceful way, which made me so happy. Which was so sweet to see. It reminded me how hard life gets for these little creatures during such harsh weather. The snow is deep and cold, making their food search even harder. The snow is falling heavily, almost like rain. Let's remember to help the animals around us during this tough weather. Stay safe, stay warm, and take care.